SRM Joint Engineering Entrance Examination or SRM JEEE is conducted by SRM Institute of Science and Technology for admission to B.Tech programs offered by the SRM University and institutes affiliated to it. This video is about the eligibility criteria of SRM JEEE. The candidate should have completed their 12th in any of the PCM or PCB from a recognized institution. To be considered eligible for SRM JEEE 2019, candidates can be resident Indians, non-resident Indians, or PIO or OCI cardholders as issued by the Government of India. The candidate should have a minimum of 50% aggregate in physics, chemistry, math, international baccalaureate IB with diploma, or an A level with physics, chemistry, mathematics or biology or botany and zoology or biotechnology as students as subjects from any international school will be eligible for admission through SRM JEEE. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work, and in this video I will help you with the exam pattern of SRM JEEE. SRM JEEE is an online exam with a total of 105 questions divided in 3 sections. The format of the questions is objective type multiple choice questions, MCQ. Each MCQ has one choice as the correct answer out of the 4 given. Each question is of 3 marks and there is no negative marking. The 3 sections of SRM JEEE are physics, chemistry, maths or biology based on the candidate's choice. The total time allocated for the exam is 150 minutes. I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will now discuss a few tips and tricks that will help you to crack SRM JEEE exam. You need speed to finish SRM JEEE exam within the prescribed time limit. Practice physics and mathematics problems by memorizing formulas. Make mathematics your strong suit. Practice questions to solve them within time to increase efficiency. The trick here is to make up math formulas by heart so that they come in handy while solving a problem. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here. Therefore, try to attempt all questions. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limit attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the stipulated time. Studying in a stretch for hours can be tedious and hard and also not so good. Therefore, try to study at several times in regular sessions during a day. This will make learning easy and fun. Also, you will have enough time to brush up the already studied topics in between intervals.